Welcome to Zenith, where learning matters. Today we'll learn the second most important irregular verb in French, avoir, to have.
J'ai,
I have.
tu as,
You have.
il, elle, a,
He, she has.
nous avons,
We have.
vous avez,
You have.
ils ont, elles ont.
They have. Usage of avoir to define possession of things. Example:
Nous avons une voiture. Nous avons une voiture.
we have a car. To define age, unlike English. Example:
J'ai 18 ans. J'ai 18 ans.
I am 18 years old. Here are some exercises for avoir verb that you can practice. For answers, refer to the description section below. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and follow us.